Thanks for joining us. I'm Steve Rand. This is Richard Otto, and this is the Gold Spot. Richard, as precious metals advisors, of course, people are always looking for what it is that they feel that they should be investing in, how we can help them to kind of come up with something that's going to be right for them. That it's not as simple as just one size fits all, is it?
Yeah, no, Steve, what we have to do is we have to customize a portfolio based upon each person's needs and wants. This is not a cookie cutter approach. For instance, we have to concern ourselves with a person's age, what their risk tolerance is. Maybe they're building a legacy for their children or grandchildren. Each person is different. We have to look if they're building for protection or privacy, or what their profit potential is. So all of these factors go into it.
Yeah, and I think that the other thing to consider is a lot of times people will say, I want to buy American Eagles because my brother-in-law said that that's the right thing to buy. Or, I talked to my accountant and they said only buy bars. Or I talked to my sister-in-law and she said, make sure you're buying rare coins. And the reality is not all these people are doing the same thing for the same reasons. One of them might be in their 40s and the other one's in their 70s. And you have to look at each individual to determine what's going to be best fitting for them. In some cases, what they told them to buy is perfectly logical and makes a lot of sense, and they should be buying the same things. But then there's other instances where it really couldn't be more different, their goals and their concerns. So it's very important that we analyze all that information to determine what's going to be best suited for you. And of course, that information can be taken if you like, or certainly do something totally different if you want to. It's your money. But we're certainly going to help you to try to make the most responsible recommendation we can based upon all the information we get. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time on the Gold Spot.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube or our Rumble channels. Also, comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear us talk about something specific in a future video.